I'm going to give you a little tour of the cottages at Indian River Inlet, which is in Delaware Seashore State Park. This is the entrance road and the parking lot for the cottages. Down at the end of the road, that building is the office and also Hammerhead's Bar and Grill. They have a pretty good grill and live music almost daily. The parking lot has 12 spaces, one dedicated for each cottage. It has 2 handicap spaces and another 6 overflow spaces. It's cottage 1 and 2 on the right, and the numbers go up from there. The road is open so you can drive in to load and unload your vehicle. There's 2 charcoal grills and a fire pit. This is the walkway up to cottage 7 and 8. You go up the ramp to the 2 doors, go through the breezeway and take the path right down to the water. This is Indian River Inlet. That's the Indian River Inlet Bridge. You see the back of the cottages here. And the inlet empties into Rehoboth Bay and Indian River Bay. Now I'll take you inside. First, here's a utility closet with a washdown hose and a wheelbarrow. This closet has some hangers for your coats, and it has the vacuum and the broom for cleaning up. And we go up the stairs into the loft. The loft is equipped with a queen-size bed and a chest of drawers. You can look over the balcony down into the living area. The living area has a TV with cable connection and a Blu-ray player and a gas fireplace. And we have a washer and dryer. This bedroom has 2 single beds, chest of drawers. This bed has a queen-size bed, chest of drawers, some clothes hangers, and a shelf. Bathroom has a shower stall, a couple of shelves for your stuff, dining room table, fully equipped kitchen with silverware plates and glasses and wine glasses, screened in porch with table and chairs overlooking the inlet. And the boats all fish here, and they come right up next to that edge line and catch flounder, bluefish, and black drum.